friends, very good morning. A hearty welcome to my YouTube channel and myself Dr. M.H. Annaya. Friends, in today's video, we are going to draw an ellipse as a conic section given the major and minor axis as 120 mm and 80 mm, and we have to make use of concentric circle method. Friends, as the name indicates, in this particular problem, we are going to draw two ellipses having having major dia 120 along the x-axis and other one along the y-axis. We are going to mark this minor axis. So first of all, we should know what an ellipse is. Friends, if you have a right circular cylinder resting on one of its circular ends on HP, and if it's cut by a section plane which is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP, the true shape of the section you obtain is an ellipse, which will have the minor dia equal to the diameter of the circle, and the major dia or major axis depends on the inclination of the section plane with the HP. Friends, let us see how to obtain the ellipse by utilizing the concentric circle method. Remember, there will be two circles, one passing through the major axis, other passing through the minor axis. And friends, here let us start the question by marking the major axis 120. So I will take these points or end points as A and B, and these have a length of 120 millimeter. And now friends, this is the major axis of the ellipse, and on the same line we have to mark the minor axis of the ellipse for the given dimension perpendicular to HP, and exactly in between A and B this vertical line should come. Friends, after drawing this line AB equal to 120 mm, the major axis, I just mark this vertical line on which you are going to mark the minor axis. How to construct that, friends? Now look here. Now you can take A as center and more than half of AB at say this length. Say this is 60 plus maybe 30, 20, 80, something like that. You just draw an arc on both these sides. And similarly, with B as center, with the same radius, you draw another arc. And these two previously drawn arcs are cut here, and we are going to have the minor axis marked along this. This is a perpendicular bisector of the major axis. And now friends, on this we have to mark the minor axis, which is 80, 40 on this side and 40 on this side. So this is going to be 40 and this is 40. This length is going to be 60 and this is also 60. The midpoint of this we can mark it as O. O is the midpoint. Now friends, let us see how to go about. Friends, you have this minor axis as having 80 millimeter dia. So with center O and radius equal to 40 mm, you draw a circle. So this is 60, 60, 40. Okay. So we have drawn a circle having minor dia that is equal to 80 millimeter. Friends, we draw like this. This is the circle having diameter 80. And similarly, friends, we have to have one more circle passing through A and B with diameter AB. So friends, I am going to draw one more circle passing through these. So this is having a diameter of 120, and the larger one is having, the smaller one is having a diameter of, so we have to draw this neatly. So friends, something like this you are going to get like this. So friends, this is our point A, this is point B, this is point C we will say, and this is point D. So these are the 4 points we have got, friends. Now the ellipse should pass through all these 4 corners, that is A and B of the major axis, C and D of the minor axis, and we can consider these 4 points as points on the ellipse. So 4 points you have got. Now friends, how to obtain the ellipse passing through A, C, B and this D? So friends, we should have, or we need to get some more points in between. That is to say, few more points to get a smooth curve. So how to obtain, friends? In this method, we are going to divide this sector having 90 degree into 3 equal parts. Say these are the 3 parts you have got. Now we join these points of division to O and extend it. Please listen carefully, and for this we are going to have like this. So we have got the quadrant 90 degree divided into 3 equal parts. So let us complete the ellipse for this part, friends. So it is very simple. See, write a vertical line from the major axis, a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect is one of the points on the ellipse. Likewise, draw a vertical line from this, a horizontal line from here. The point where these two intersect will give you the second point. So we have got here, friends, one point here, one here, one here, one here. Totally we got 4 points. Friends, you can draw a smooth curve passing through all these 4 points. So friends, you are going to have something like this. So this is how you get the ellipse for the quad portion, quad ellipse. So friends, this is how we get. Friends, we follow the same procedure for all the remaining 3 quadrants, that is this and this, and obtain these points. Now look here, friends. You divide again this quadrant into 3 equal parts. So I am going to have this joined and extended, joined and extended. Follow the same procedure. Vertical line from the major axis, horizontal line from the minor axis. The point where they intersect is one of the points. Likewise, vertical line from the major axis, horizontal line from here. The point where they intersect is a point on the curve. So we can join these again, similar to this, by a continuous smooth curve. Friends, remember, this curve is symmetrical both about the vertical axis and about the horizontal axis. And whatever the figure you get here, you got here, you are going to get on the bottom side also. Now friends, what I do, just see, you repeat the procedure. Now friends, if I am taking up this 90 degree, this quadrant, let us divide that quadrant into 3 equal parts, join that and extend that point. Now here friends, you can see, follow the same procedure, vertical line from this, horizontal line from here, they meet at this point. Similarly, vertical line from this major axis, horizontal line from here, they meet at this point. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 points, join them by a smooth continuous curve, friends. So we have got ellipse, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. Finally, friends, we repeat the procedure by dividing the sector into 3 equal parts, by joining them and extending the lines. all by construction. It should be very thin line. So again, follow the procedure, friends. Here we have to get ellipse again. Here, vertical line from the major axis, horizontal line from the small circle. The point where they meet is point 1. Again, vertical line from here, horizontal line from this, they meet here. And friends, you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Join all these by a smooth continuous curve. Friends, we have got the complete ellipse utilizing the concentric circle method, and this is one of the very good method of obtaining the ellipse when the major and minor axes are given. And you should remember, friends, this ellipse is symmetrical about the vertical axis and also about the horizontal axis. So whatever the figure you have got here is exactly similar to this. And whatever the figure you have got to the right of O is exactly similar to that. And also remember, whatever these points you are getting here, they fall on the same line. You can have a check whether you have written the correct solution or not. Friend, this figure, whatever you have got here, is the ellipse, which is obtained using concentric circle method, wherein we are given with the major and minor axis of the ellipse, and this ellipse is a conic section which is obtained by cutting a vertical cylinder resting on one of the circular ends by a section plane which is normal to VP and inclined to HP, and the minor diameter is equal to the diameter of that cylinder, and the major axis, that is AB, is equal to the length of the section plane along the cutting plane. So that particular again depends on the inclination of the section plane with the VP. Friends, I hope that you have really enjoyed the presentation on the construction of an ellipse when the major and minor axes are given by using the concentric circle method. Please go through the complete video, and if you like this, please share with all your friends without fail. Have a beautiful day. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.